Hello guys. Today we have a Harman Kardon Onyx speaker that works with the charger connected, but turns off when the charge cable is removed. A clear sign of a bad battery. The original charger has 19 volts and supplies 2 ampere max. We are going to replace the battery in this device today. Let us open this speaker first. If not already done, disconnect the charger. On the front of the speaker we have this gap down here. An ideal gap to insert a tool to pop off the speaker grill. Pop. Open and out. Great. We put that to the side. Make sure to never touch or damage the tweeters. The passive radiator up here is very sturdy, and doesn't mind a push. The regular drivers should not be touched either. You can remove the leather back the same way. Here you can see the studs that hold the back in place. Right after that we can remove the rubber ring and the handle. The handle is mounted with 4 screws. Use a Phillips driver to remove the screws. By removing the handle, the 2 brackets come out too. Remember what side each bracket belongs to. Now we can remove all the screws on the back of the device. There should be 7 screws. When you take the back off, be very careful to not rip out any cables. Disconnect the wires from the battery first. The string you see hanging here is a rubber seal. If the seal is damaged or missing, the speaker will have less bass. The seal is important. Once we have the half with the electronics separated, we can put it aside and work on the seal and the battery part. Make sure you don't lose any screws. I use a few drops of super glue to fix that seal in place. Now we are ready to open the battery box. We need to remove 2 screws. We can see that this old battery is bloated, and that means it needs to be replaced. The battery box has a little gap for the wires to come through. Insert the new battery accordingly. I ordered my new battery on the Amazon. Make sure to not damage the new battery when you tighten the 2 screws on the battery box. Now we can reconnect the wires and cables when we join the 2 halves together. We do have 7 screws on the back. Together with the rubber ring, we can attach the handlebar again. With all the parts screwed in, we can reattach the front grille and the rear leather cover again. The rear leather cover is a piece of art. Use regular leather cleaner to make it shine again. We reconnect the charger and look for the charge indicators to blink. When they turn off, the battery will be fully charged. Allow a few charge-discharge cycles for the battery to have full capacity. Now we pair the phone and run some tests. Enjoy!
Kiss in the dark like we do. I just love the way it feels. Yeah, I know it's bad, but I can't resist. When I look in your eyes, I don't know what is real. All I know is that I could go anywhere, as long as you're with me. Oh, I'm drunk and I know it, but I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. Yeah, 'cause no one knows if we're just jumping out the window trying to cling on to it. You got me holding on to something that I can't burn it down, but I don't care about it, 'cause I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it.
So, that's it. Battery is fixed.